downloading the ext file of Wireshark. So to view the ext file of Wireshark, just click on this Windows button and type PC, then enter, then go for downloads. So you can see here the ext file of Wireshark is downloaded. Just click on it. So you can see the screen. Just click next. So here are the terms and conditions before installing Wireshark. So just have a review of these all license terms and conditions before installing a Wireshark. After reviewing, just click on Noted. So you can see here the components and features of Wireshark is available. While before installing, you need to check these boxes based on your requirement. So as Wireshark is a network packet analyzer, and T-Shark is also packet analyzer, but it is in a command line version of Wireshark. So plugins and extensions, tools, documentations. So according to your requirement, you just check these all boxes based on your technical capability, then click on next. So here are the additional tasks that creates the shortcuts, and it is also given the associate file extensions of Wireshark. So to create a shortcuts of your Wireshark tool, here are the three options: Wireshark start menu item, Wireshark desktop icon, Wireshark quick launch icon. To view your Wireshark tool on your desktop, just check this option so that you can view your Wireshark tool on your desktop. So here are the associate file extensions of the Wireshark. So ACP, APC, ATC, BFR, CAP, all these are the extensions, file extensions of Wireshark. So by clicking this, it will give you the extensions of your Wireshark files. So click on next. So here it is asking the location where the Wireshark tool need to be installed. So by defaultly it is chosen the C drive. You can also browse other drives based on your convenient. So then click on next. So here it is showing that whether we require to install a Nmap. So as for now, I am not installing this Nmap. Just for the installation of Wireshark is enough now. So just click on next, and here it is also showing that USB capture, so that it captures the USB traffic. So if you require, or based on your requirement, you just click on this for installation of USB. So just for now I am not clicking that. Just click on install. So you can see all the files or all the supporting files which is related to the Wireshark, it is extracting. So during this extraction, you should not disturb this window, so that the tool may be work very effectively. So it is extracting as if now. So the installation is completed. You can see the setup was completed successfully. So click on next and click on finish. So now you can see the Wireshark on your desktop.